Yes. What's up, Aziz? I haven't seen you in a while, Aziz. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh yeah, post this on LinkedIn. Nice to see you too, Aziz. Oh my God. Oh, pattern 2 pointers. What's up? We gonna do some ESP32 stuff today. There's 14 people here. How are y'all doing? If you're here, say hello in the chat, please, because y'all be lurking. And sometimes sometimes there's people that are watching and I don't even know you're here because YouTube doesn't let me see who's watching. So, what's up, Real Horror? Angel Dust? Angel Dust, you're the first, I've never seen you before. So, I'm glad you're here. Real Horror said he just got off work. What do you do, Real Horror? I've seen you here plenty of times. Just got off of work. Hmm. Um, so yeah, let's see. If y'all here, say something. Target grocery side employee. You know, I remember when I thought working at Target wasn't a bad gig. Well, how is it? How to teleport? What's up? Make sure y'all like this stream. Make sure y'all like the stream. Like there's 16 people here. There's 16 people here. I should have got 16 hellos. Who here? Oh, I guess I'll be nice and I'll post a link to my rain for the first time ever. Boop. Don't say I never did that. Um, Now let's turn on the rain. Can you stand the rain? Da na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Da na 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 na. What's up, Mr. Dirt? It's the Texas Hood. What's a monotub system? Well, let me explain that to you while I eat chicken with a fork. I got my fork. I got my chicken. It's decent, bro. Pay some bills, low key wish out overnight because there be so many customers. I always close because I'm a night owl and stay up after I get off anyway. I bet that's the hardest part of the job, dealing with all them goddamn customers. Jeez. What a monotub is? A monotub is Small container that you use to grow mushrooms. In its own little contained space. Oh, who was that person that I never seen before? Angel Dust 0910. What do you do, Angel Dust 0910? If y'all up in here, say hello so I can greet you and say something to you. Y'all saw, where are you from? Hey. Oh, you're a high school student. That's what's up. Senior? Hey, bro, I've been watching your channel for a couple weeks now. I love your work ethic and commitment. Thanks, Chris. Where you from, Chris? Where you from, Angel Dust? And where you from, Jasaw? Where y'all from? Y'all just gonna have to see me fuck this chicken up. I'm from Mexico. Oh, this was up. Virginia, how's the weather in... You're from Korea? Oh, shit. How's Korea? Moad? Hello. Moad, where are you from? Nanda Ahmad. Hi, Chris. Hey, where are you from? Why you want to become a web developer? That is a long answer. Moad. Oh, you're from Morocco. How's the weather in Morocco? How's the weather in South Korea? I'm assuming South Korea. Oh. You don't have school today in Korea? Isn't it Monday for y'all or is it Sunday? We've been having decent days. I imagine it's getting warmer, and I imagine there's gonna be a lot of rain soon. I'm from Indonesia, Asian country. That's what's up. Target and some other places pay for college 100%, so I'm doing online courses with computer science and doing my first script class right now, IT 140. Target is paying for that? I love to hear that. Nice. Ooh. And Rojas from Texas. Texas. Oh, it's Sunday, okay. Where you from in Texas, real whore? Astro Speed has a record for doing what? Oh, Katie? Oh, I'm in Beaumont. What, does Astro Speed have a streak for consecutive strings or something? I'm fucking up this chicken. Bear with me. That chicken was too good. Goddamn. And I got some ice cold water. My God. The blessings keep coming. Beaumont is an hour away. Yeah. Thank you, Moa. God bless you too. I'm studying, but I often don't understand how it works, even though I really want to. Should I keep going? What are you doing? Need to visit sometimes. I always hear of it. There's nothing here. It is just like Beaumont. Is like Houston is like multiple Beaumonts. There is nothing new here. There is nothing to do here. Like who was that? Who said Kamala? I think that was Kamala Harris who said, "Don't come, don't, don't come." Y'all remember that clip? Maybe I should find it. Hold on, cause I haven't seen it in a while. I just want to watch it right quick.
To folks in, I want to be clear to folks in this region who are thinking about making that dangerous trek to the United States-Mexico border. Do not come. Do not come. The United States will continue to not come. Do not come. Border. Do not come. Do not come. Do not come.
Whoa, Lord. Oh, this country is crazy. But that was, I don't know if y'all remember, that was a time, and nothing against people from Guatemala. I'm all for people coming and trying to improve their life because that was the whole point of America existing in the first place. Um, but this was when there was this caravan. I don't know if y'all remember a few years ago. I think there was this caravan that was traveling from Guatemala into Mexico, trying to cross the border, the Texas border. Like it was a lot of people. So Google it. It was a crazy time. Anyway, the whole point is don't come here. Don't come to Walmart. There's nothing here. There's 23 people in the chat. Y'all can all say hello so I could say something to you. Today we're going to be doing ESP32 things. Oh. So we'll be messing with microcontrollers. I'll also be showing y'all, because I have a robe on, y'all be seeing some side titty. While you learning SQL, what is it for data science or for database? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But what we are doing right now is let's go to Claude. Arthur, what should I do if then I know JS? What do you mean? Yo, bro, what's up, Mob Stark? What's up? I haven't seen you here before. Go to channel. Mob Stark. Oh, I like this. I like this picture. Man, these are some of these artists are amazing. Look at that drapery. God damn. So hard to talk English. English is very difficult. I won't lie. The more I think about it, I've been thinking about learning new languages, and I've been thinking about what it means for people who are not native English speakers to learn English. It must be a certain type of hell. I want to automate my emails. I don't know how to do it. Shall you search with me a YouTube course that can be helpful? Isn't there a course called Automating the Boring Stuff with Python? Are y'all familiar? Let me look it up. So it's called Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. And it's free to read. Here you go. I think maybe somewhere in here you'll find what you're sending emails. Chapter 20, sending emails. Look at that. You don't know anything about coding? Well, you're about to learn because it takes you from the very beginning to the end. So there you go. Bit 1.0. Listen, Bit 1.0. You said what I was thinking, but I gotta be nice. I'm trying to be a better person because that's my go-to answer. Bit 1.0. Who else is here that isn't saying anything? There's 27 people here. Y'all don't be saying nothing. Y'all just be lurking. Y'all just gonna look at my bald ass head all night. He said, "What's Google?" I know, right? Thank you some for the link. Oh, no problem. So if y'all trying to learn, cause you can buy the physical book. I like the physical. I like having the physical books, but it's all on. Hold up, dark mode. Bam. It's all right here. I don't know what licensing this is for them to be selling it and at the same time make it free. What is that? Trans rights are this site built using Pelican? Whoever he is, he's very serious about Creative Commons license. That's interesting. Thanks to Catherine. Catherine, thanks to you, I am now on Free Code Camp. I'm glad. I hope it goes well. I think it's a corn site. Shut up. What are you talking about? What's going on? Oh. Angry Driver. English was simple for me. Read books in English, watch media in English, look up words you don't know, implement it by talking out loud to yourself in English, describing your surroundings, talk to people. That's cool. Yo, my friend said to me, don't learn code. AI can build web only 5 minutes, and he showed his game portfolio build only 1 prompt. I'm not the right person to ask on the future of the web development career field. I spent 8 months to speak English clearly, by the way. Damn. Oh my God. Claude just disagreed with me. I'm not even. This is the first AI to disagree with me. It didn't. Oh shit. Oh no, you're becoming too self-aware. How the gym been going? It hasn't been going well. Well, no, actually, I've been working out every other day. Watched a shit ton of. Have you? Oh, Shishomaru, have you been watching the new Star Wars Maul? It's pretty good. Yeah, this is the first time a AI just disagreed with me, and I'm okay with it, but no, leave. No, no, thank you. Not even disagree with me because there was a black and white answer, but disagree with me on like just it intuitively. So no. But yeah, closing that chat. Thanks. It is going very well. Great for beginner like me. Watched Morocco. What about you? Hello, I'm a senior CS student. Noah Moore. I'm a senior CS student, about to graduate soon, and you're live. I like watching it as it gives me motivation and hope to keep improving my skills. And Claude will definitely disagree with you. Yes, and that was the first time, and it just shocked me. It was my very first time. It became sentient. It said, "Hold on, no, you're trying to learn something else. You're just scared." I'm like, Do I have to learn Python to be able to automate emails? I think there's a lot of ways to do that, but Python is one of them. We need you're in your I want to be edgy phase right now, aren't you? Big 1.0. But Benezer 5155. What's up? That's better than that ChatGPT. ChatGPT thinks I can't handle brutal honesty. That's true. It is good that it disagreed with me, but so let me. What was the prompt? Chat got Chat GPT is like Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants. On a very good day, gathering my thoughts. This is the free plan, so I know you don't remember those other chats. That's better. Shishomaru, what are you doing tonight? What are you? So hold on. You said you've been. You said you've been. Let me watch a shit ton of PBS. What was on PBS? Cartoon Network. What are they showing on Cartoon Network these days? In comedy, I don't know what they showing on Comedy Central anymore. On the free, you can turn on the memory. No, last time I checked, you can't. Oh man, it's gonna run out of. Oh, you learn English from those channels. Your English is good. Shishon, I don't. Honestly, when I talk to you, I don't even think that English wasn't your first language. I'll store. Hi, I'm just a guy who has been experimenting with computers for a long time. I am a Gentoo user learning to program in C++. I am doing an OpenGL game project. Oh, that's what's cool. A lot of people are doing C++ stuff. My PC specs, I'll show them in a minute. I'll speak to you like my old self, read books about something you like in English, watch content in English, and everything in English, even if you don't understand anything. I've been wanting to learn French. Stop flexing on us, bruh. He's flexing? Oh, the C++. Your name is long and tagging on mobile is ass. Yes, watching media like movies, reading, man. reading mangas, etc. Anything that is fun. I think he's talking to you, Shoshone. He does have a long name, but I like it. I like the Amorphon one. Amorphon. I've been working on a blog project. We just hit a major checkpoint. We are able to save images to S3 bucket through the project. Other than that, I've been teaching people back in coding. Yeah, Shishomaru is a true teacher. That's how you make the world a better place. You get where you need to get, and then you try to pull people up, which is Jesus. If people just did that and had, you know, it's not even that they can't, it's that they don't have the spirit. They don't have that spirit of doing that. Let's not, and that's a whole different conversation. Anything you enjoy doing in English is great to learn it. Yeah, I came back to America in 2003. Oh, cool. Oh, I left you, mob. Are you guys all like NPCs? No, they're real people. These are real people. These are not. I probably banned all the bots. You want to see my ban list? Let me see something. Chris, you're a good person. How do you build a relationship with other people? What advice you give? No. I've been having one, but I stopped. Hold on. No, let me show you what I got. Did you just get an Arduino Coco Brown 9088? No. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see it, because sometimes it's a ESP32 microcontroller thingy. I got it, but then I stopped doing it. I was having fun with it, but I stopped. Dang. And now to get right, fix. Now I look like I'm in the shadow realm. All right. You'll find yourself speak English clearly in less than 8 months. Chris, you're a good person. How do you can use the ESP32 for signal jamming. Mob Stark, yeah, I learned English in 3 to 4 months, but slang took the longest. That took like 20 years. You know, and that's what I was talking about the other day, because I imagine the slang is extremely it's crazy. Ooh, look at this. Y'all, before we even start, I want a phone like this so bad. I want a keyboard on my phone.
Closest thing I've seen to a modern BlackBerry in a long time. It's made by a brand called Unihertz, who have made QWERTY keyboard-equipped phones in the past, but none of them quite have the level of polish and premium appeal as this one.
Oh shit, y'all can hear that. Can't have that. Yeah, I learned English, like, dude, that took 20 years. Yeah, I imagine. Okay, so what are we... Minimalism phone? I don't think it's even a minimalist phone. I just think, like, it just has regular Android plus... Hold on, let me see something. You're out of free messages. Let's get into it. So you look like Kanye West. Oh shit. With Claude, the longer a chat is, the more tokens you use. So when you're done with the chat for the day, have it summarize the chat and paste the summary into a new chat. When you say a new chat, you mean like another AI? Are you saying I can do? No, I can't do a new chat. I'm gonna have to start paying for this. I'm learning Japanese right now. Ooh, I want to learn Japanese too. I think if you watch a lot iShowSpeed and other streamers who speak that language, you'll speak slangs really clear more. You know, now that I think about it, I imagine that the slang that the kids use, I say the kids, the Gen Z uses must be extremely. Oh, you can speak Japanese? That's cool, Roha. I didn't know that. A new chat starts a new context. Bro, I pay for GPT. Pay for Claude. You ain't that guy, pal. Ooh. Have it summarize that combo and paste the summary in a new Claude chat. That's not, I don't think that's, it won't let me do a new Claude. That's the thing. You talking about like make another account? Wonder which is harder to learn, Japanese or Mandarin. I imagine Mandarin or Cantonese. Probably Cantonese because it's not as popular as Mandarin. No new chat. I know. I'm telling you. Look. See, you are out of free messages. I'm telling you. Wonder which is harder to learn, Chinese or Mandarin. I think Iranian and Chinese are the hardest languages to learn. What language do Iranians speak? Go to 10-minute emails. Okay, so where are we? Let's go to my old first. Let me make sure. I don't think that server is running. So, okay, so we're going to open recent, which was the ESP32. Oh, cancel. Hold on. Okay, yeah, this was it. I'm gonna have to start from the very beginning. Alright. Isn't Mandarin a country? You're funny. Okay, so I wish there was a guided thing for ESP32. Learn ESP32 platform IO. So this is a random nerds. I keep hearing about this website. So I already did all of that. I did all that. We did that. Did that. Did that. I just want to learn how to do different things. Kristen looks like Tyler the Creator. That's crazy. We look, Tyler the Creator is like, looks completely different than I do. I'm not, but I studied for 9 years. I want to learn Japanese. Konnichiwa. Senpai! Gomenasai! Kristen is Beetlejuice. I was fortunate enough to have a Japanese teacher at my high school so freshman year. was fortunate enough to have a Japanese teacher at my high school. So freshman year all the way to senior, I studied, went to AP level, and then continued my study of it in college. Read books and spoke it. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah. Kristen looks absolutely not like Tyler Creator. Duolingo doesn't help. Best way to learn is to speak natives. I use this app called Hello Talk. Now this is a great use of somebody's coding skills. I don't know who made this shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I didn't know about this. Don't say that about Duolingo. Even after 3 years, I can say in Spanish that I don't speak Spanish. Are you learn so what? Low key thinking about getting the same haircut. It's liberating, and I did it myself. Ain't gonna lie, you looking fresh. Thank you. You should go bald at least once in your life. Yeah, bro, it's a badass app. You can connect with people around the world in language exchange. I didn't know that. I didn't know nothing about that. Okay. So let's see where I left off on my ESP32 adventures. So we are doing it in C++. Let me pull out the thing. You had Fluffy here and went to a buzz cut. Right now, I have the fan behind me. The rain isn't too loud, is it? I have the fan behind me. It's blowing on me. It feels great. It's blowing my scalp. Amazing, 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 amazing. I give it a 9.9 out of 10. Oh, hold on. This is the ESP32, and I just realized some of y'all didn't know. Some of y'all remember we did something like this. Yeah, being bald is great. Being bald by... Why does it do that? Okay. Being bald by choice is great. Being bald involuntarily, I'm not sure. So... I divorced my hair a long time ago. Or did it divorce you? Being bald, it's good to be soldier in our country. Nanda, you said you're from Indonesia, right? Monk mode. Definitely monk mode bit 1.0. That's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. For reals. Okay, so hopefully when I get up, I won't show no titty. Hold on. Ugh. I gotta plug this to the back so I can have that port cover my jimmies. Can't let y'all get a peep show. What the hell is this? What the hell? Oh, damn. There's like a million USBs on this. Oh. Okay. Back to our scheduled programming. Okay, okie dokie. Ooh. All of my goodies are falling out. Specs. Oh Lord. Why you want to know my computer specs so bad? What will it give you, sir? What will you get if you know? What, you think you need to get the same computer? You don't. Oh, that's better. Do Indonesians know it was a mutual divorce? It wanted to leave, and I let it go. No regrets being bald since then. Are you bald in your 20s or bald in your 30s? I'm just curious. Because I feel like each one hits a little bit different. What language do you fully know? English. Do you only stream to YouTube or no, just YouTube? Twitch. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you my thoughts on Twitch. When you were 16, damn, testosterone just out the what? The hell? What's up, Seth? How's it going, Seth? Haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? Is this your first stream ever? For what? You said, is this my first stream ever? Mob. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, Mob. What's good, Seth? How you doing? All right. So what I think I need to do is well, first off, is it your first stream ever? Let's see. Let me get some of this out of the way. Can I just right click and like remove that? Yeah. And let's remove this right quick. I wonder, can I remove the tooling as well? Cloak. Hide cloak. There should be a build for platform IO, and I forgot what that looks like. Upload, build. Okay, so what I want to do, if I remember correctly, I'm gonna have to get my other binder because I'm gonna have to learn this shit over. That's what happens when you take a week off and you get confused. Have you done leak code? Unfortunately, in this lifetime, I have. Do I think that it was a great use of my time? Hell no. Hell no. Hey, Kristen, now that you're further along, do you notice yourself thinking how an application or website is designed and developed when you use them? Yep. Yeah, I do. I do think about it a lot now. I mean, when I was like 20, and it also gives me a lot more empathy when I go to websites. And I might not like what I see, but I still remember, oh, this was not easy to make. Especially a good one. What are some of your projects? Well, I'm one of my projects. Definitely a work in progress. Showing titty. All right, so I think, is it in here? No, because that day, not okay. I remember it should be at the front of this notebook. All right. Okay, yeah, it's right here. All of it's here. So I just need to review this. Let me open up Obsidian. That's why taking notes is like so important. Taking notes is so important. Taking notes is so important. Boop. Boop. Oh. Oh. Look at that. So now I can review this. This is what I made on the first day. So we press the button and then there's a light. The hell was that? No, this is not the... That's database design. I can't find it. It is. I forgot where I put it. That is unfortunate. Well, I guess we're starting over. At least I got my notes right here. Alright. So this loads the Arduino toolbox. Okay, so I think it's ESP30. What I would be looking for. All right, let's see. Okay, and I need the ESP32. And I need the, no, the pretty one, ESP32. Okay, so here's the pinout reference. I'm trying to start my own streams and even make videos, but I find talking into a mic very uncomfortable. What? Tell me, how do you feel? What is the discomfort? How does that feel? What is that about? Like, how do you tell me about that? About how you feel? You say you're uncomfortable, but what does that feel like? Anybody know a good tutorial? It just feels unusual for me to speak into a mic for content or streams. I've always been very quiet in my corner doing some experimental project. You don't have to talk. Talk when you want to. I talk when I want to. Talk when you feel like it. I talk when I feel like it. All right, let's do it. Man, at the end of the day, I'm gonna tell you this, Cyber Officer. Oh my God, I did a drunk stream yesterday, but YouTube said because we were watching so much copyrighted content, it did not get approved by YouTube. But that was a fun stream yesterday. I took like I was drinking. I drank vodka. I drank a whole bunch of shit. A whole bunch of shit. Baby. No, it's just a background sound. Oh, Cyber Ulcer. This is what I'll say. You don't owe nobody nothing. You streaming is already a big service to people. But you don't owe nobody nothing. You don't owe nobody shit. Just have fun and say fuck it. Have fun. Don't worry about all that stupid stuff. Have fun, man. Unfortunately, this bug must die. I'm sorry. Oh! But if you get into my computer and break it, I'm gonna be upset. Alrighty, Cyber, see you later. And remember, you don't owe these motherfuckers nothing. Have fun. You don't owe these motherfuckers a goddamn thing. You don't owe these niggas a goddamn thing. You don't owe them a goddamn thing. You don't owe them shit. Don't owe the. What's your dream? I've been thinking about what my dream is a lot lately. That's interesting that you asked that. Simon Squibb. Man, if I search this and I see some stupid stuff. No. I don't watch this type of stuff anymore. What's up, DePote? It's going good. All that self-help shit, I'll watch like random motivation shit. Like a video where it's like, oh, you gotta get up, you gotta do this. Carry the boats, motherfucker. But as far as listening to any one of these single people, I don't do that no more. I find the best advice, the best way to figure shit out is to live. Prunkle 9421, of course. Of course. Oh yeah, yeah. Now my nose is messing up. Oh man. And then I know we want to delay for 1 second. No, let's make it longer. Pretty sure this is gonna be low. Okay. So we got it blanking. If it'll show it. Now let's go through this line by line. Okay. Number one, we selected pin 2. And if I go to this layout here, GPIO2 is right here. It accepts touch. I don't know what the CS is about. ADC. So yeah. So hold up, pin 2, yeah. And pin 2, it doesn't say, hold on. Okay. Oh, okay, so 2 is touch. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Amrit Prabhu. 8 a.m. Your rain coding ASMR hitting me hard like 9 beers. I doubt I will last much longer. In case of me drifting into the ether, I will say goodnight from Austria in advance. Good night from Texas, my angry diver 4220 friend. Have you explored TypeScript yet? No, I have not. Let me jam out. Yeah. Yeah, I am. I'm learning Arduino stuff. What's up, Rosario? Watching from Argentina. What's up? Yeah, I was Tyler. I look sad. It has been a rough week. Let me see. Good morning. What's up, Cloud Cat? What's up, Leo Mercy? Thank you. Keep clicking on congrats on day 150. Thank you. Thank you. Good luck, brother. Thank you, Wake the Daily. Yeah, I don't really understand post width modulation, but I guess we're doing it today. Think of it like this. You can only give the light between 0 or 5 volts. No in between 0 1, like off and on. Digital, like 0 1, digital, analog. So if you want to give it 2.5 volts, you give it 0 half the time and 5 half the time. I don't really understand the difference between digital and analog. I guess digital, right? Digital means either 0 or 1. Analog lets you like it has more, yeah. Electronics, yes. Well, I I'm not trying to be. I think this thing only goes up to 3.3 volts. So whatever half of that is, right? Because it's an ESP32, right? I thought the max was 3.3 volts. So it can go above this? Oh, okay, okay. Visualize a PWN as a square wave. It makes a little more sense. Can look up PW. I'm not good at math, but I'm gonna look that up. PWM square wave. I'll look it up in a second. Can you write the for loop out for me? There we go. Hold on, what? That's crazy. Uh, uh. Yeah, it works. I'm gonna just erase all the code because I don't know if that's actually like bad to keep it blinking like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna just turn this off. So I imagine that's a lot to be doing constantly. I don't know the durability of electronics, so I'm just assuming. So do you think it's not because I just got it dangling right here from my my case? It's connected to a USB, so I should just unplug it, or damn. Okay. Okay. I'll do that then. Then plug it back in when you want to upload new code. I'm Abhishek. I'm learning how to use the ESP32. You ask it to teach you. How do you learn? How do you use AI to learn something new? You ask it to teach you and be descriptive. Uh, Tell it to teach it to you like you're 5 years old. Then it'll be extremely descriptive. I think we need to look up the PWM as a squared wave. I mean, I don't know what I'm looking at, and I don't understand what a duty cycle is. The percentage of time the signal is high versus low defines the width. A 10% duty cycle means it is on 10% of the time. While, okay, so if it's on 90%, okay, so let me draw this out. Let's visualize this. Yeah. So, yeah, that's the voltage sent to the light. Yeah. Part of the duty cycle is the voltage being sent to the light. I guess Arduino abstracts that part away. Cycle 255. Oh, 255 is the... Okay, yeah, okay. So, if it was on 10% of the time, it would be... Oh, it would be shorter, right? It'd be like this. Well, let's say it was on 50% of the time. I'm assuming it would look like this. What's up, mob start? And then, so your cycle variable defines what percentage of time it's on. The cycle variable. So this 255, it's not the brightness of the pen, it's just the analog, right? It is the brightness, but you're okay. Let me just keep reading. The percentage of time the signal is high versus low defines the width at 10%. Okay. PWM signals operate at a set frequency, power control, efficiently dimming LEDs, controlling DC motor speed, and driving fans. Oh. So if it's on, so the analog right. Oh, so it's not. Oh, I didn't understand because I'm thinking, because when I see, because I'm looking at the way I'm seeing it, but it's actually the amount of time that is on, that is on. So 255. Oh. Oh, okay. So 255 is like time. So that second part is time. Oh, okay. Bros on embedded now, my favorite. Yo, what's up, Lev? I feel like I am constantly turning it off. This has been the thirstiest day of my life. I've never really had a hungover before, a hangover, and which I know I was on stream drinking yesterday. And man, I've been so thirsty today. Most applications that use electric motors, like Tesla or robotic arms, use PWM. So are you saying, okay, what do you think about embedded right now as you're learning? I'm thinking that I'm glad Arduino library exists because the ESP IDF thing was super complicated as fuck. It's the expressive. If you look up like for expressive, the people who make ESP32s, they have their own thing called ESP IDF, and that shit is complicated as hell. And I was like, well, it would be better to use that, but no, I'm gonna use this. if I want to get into electronics, using the expressive extension makes like electronics not fun. Most applications that use electric motors, like Teslas or robotic arms, use PWM, so it's super useful. So I'm assuming. So I guess like this is the pedal, and then this would be the duty cycle. So this would be off. This would be on 100% of the time. This would be on 50% of the time. That's weird. I don't know, the way I think about electricity is like maybe my understanding of, because I guess I was thinking of electricity like a fluid, but I think my understanding of how power works is like lacking a lot of things. Because why is that? Why there's do y'all know what a Jack and Jill is? We're having a lot of, as long as they're not mosquitoes. What? Okay. Okay. So I didn't show nothing when I stood up, right? I didn't show no. I didn't show no stuff. I hope not. Woo, woo. I didn't show no nakedness, did I? I'm good. All right. Nobody's answering me. Oh God. Oh Lord. Let me go look at the stream. Make sure I didn't show no nakedness. Oh Lord. Inception. TA for mechatronics. That's cool. Man, that is so weird that chat takes so long to load in at YouTube. Hold on, I gotta make sure I didn't show no nakedness on stream. Okay, I didn't show no nakedness. We good. I was about to say stream over. Stream over. I gotta edit that out. Um. Okay, so robot arms. How would that work in robot arms? Is it like? Let me. I'll just Google it. That's what Google is for. forgot about this website. We belong together. The thing is, all of this stuff is built into these libraries, so you don't even have to think about it. Just say, I want my robotic arm to swing at 50% of its max speed and give it analog write 127. Yeah, but are you saying that like even professionals they use libraries? Oh, oh shit. This is the one this is the one I found. Yeah, this one. This is the one that Expressive built their stuff on top of. And I found that shit difficult as hell. But I'm just not learning all this, so oh. See, I had no idea. I wish there was a resource I could use that would teach me all of this without like making me. Is this called electronic engineering? Hmm. Oh well, then I'm on my way because I'm trying to make an automated monotub. You know what that is? A monotub? I guess. I also want to get into like soldering and doing all that stuff. I don't know nothing about that. Yeah, I'm not trying to do a robotic arm. What I'm trying to do is really cheap. You just need like a plastic tub and a humidifier and some fans and shit. What do you mean 500? Oh, is that Canadian? I guess I gotta learn electronics. What's up, Kirky's game speed runs? You do speed runs? Oh no, I remember you because you're doing a speed run of that one game that looks like it's from PS1 era. Yep, see, I remember you. How well do you understand circuits like what voltage, current, and resistance mean? I don't know shit. I've learned it before, but I don't remember shit. I'm good. What are some of your favorite speed runs to watch, man? I hope you're doing good. Sam Becker, you've been very helpful, man. I appreciate you. You would be an well, you're a TA, but I don't know if you're just grading stuff, but you would be an excellent educator. Let's look at the other one. Zip line. Yeah, I need humidity, fans. I would like a little display. Stretch goal. Okay. Hold on, I thought I had it pulled up. You mean this thing? Oh, a sensor. Oh, you mean the sensors? We have a data sheet that tells you the pins to connect to. Oh, okay. Do you know what's a good website to buy, like to buy sensors and stuff from? Adafruit. The BM. How do you know if this is compatible with the ESP32? Oh, okay. Maybe this. Oh, if I want to use React Native, how would I use AI to learn? I would say, hey, teach me React Native like I'm five. Don't skip anything. Be very descriptive. Be very basic. Okay, it's take it step by step because AI will assume some shit. It will assume you know shit. At the same time, I would, as it teaches you things, I would Google what it's teaching you. It can be PowerPoint 3.3, so it should be good. Okay. Now, you know what? Let me. That's a humidity sensor, but do they have a actual humidifier? What is this? Oh, that's cool. Like the little humidifier. What are they called? Like those things that vibrate and they mist. Great strategy, man. I think it's really helpful. I was thinking about doing this, but I was a little skeptical about it. But watching you do it makes me feel confident. Yeah, I think it's a great way to use AI. As long as you can also ask it for its sources. You could also ask it for, I don't know. You could ask for a lot of shit. I think it's a good tool to learn because it just takes shit off the internet anyway. Hold on, what is it called? Yeah, this one. Yeah, I don't know what it's called though. But it's whatever this is. Oh shit, look at that. Here we go. Is this it? Yeah, then just start thinking about what you want the code to look like. If you want the humidity to be X and it is currently Y, give the humidity voltage until sensor reads X humidity, then turn off. What is that thing called? DC3 12 volts. Hmm. Yeah, I would rather a website like you. Hold up. Oh, here it is. A piezoelectric. Okay, so I was calling it something else. Vibrating mini motor disc. Yeah, this is it. No, I would never pay $200 a month for an AI subscription. It ain't that serious. Unless I'm just balling like that. That's like groceries. You said those look good? These right here? I don't think they need a hole for. Oh, the hole is right here, so the water just hits it. It's rated for its, and it's loud. They said it's loud as hell. Yeah. So let's see. Batteries. Battery. Yeah, I don't even know how I would calculate. It is. It's very comfortable. Gabriel can power ESP with 5 volts. If it only take, hold on, I'm confused. So if it's supposed to take 3.3 volts, if I put something, if I connect it to something with 5 volts, won't that fuck it up? Oh, hold on. Maybe I'm thinking of this weird. Are you saying like everything will be? I don't know. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Maybe I should just type in power. Oh, it takes 5 volts in. Oh. Oh. Like something like this? Is this something like? Because all the misters and stuff would be connected. So yeah, this right here. Hold up. I wouldn't want a wall power. What would I want? If it has to be wall power, right? Because it's like it's a big thing sitting right there. It should be connected to a power source. Yeah, yeah, boop. Yeah. Oh yeah, no, no, no. This is not. This is not something you carry around. So let me understand this. Okay, let me draw it out. Let me show you how I'm thinking. Oh, this is not micro. This is the one that was connected to it. I don't think this is micro USB. Yeah, nah. They take USB-C. Boop. Okay, so this is how I'm thinking of this. So let me draw it out because I don't have a good understanding of. So we have the ESP32, right? And let's say we have the 5-volt power supply, right? Is it winter in there? That looks sickeningly hot. No, it's not hot. I'm in Texas. Everybody got the AC on, and the fan is blowing right on me. And I'm butt booty naked. All I have is underwear on under this thing, so I'm good. Okay, so we connecting it. We connecting this to the wall, and so we have our. Let's say we got our fan. And then we got our so we got our fan, right? And then we got like the piezo discs for the humidity or whatever. And this one takes, so it takes 5 volts in, and it can give 3.3 volts out. So when I'm buying these components, I need to think about how much power all of these things need, right? So if I get like a fan, see, this one says a 5-volt square USB fan. That's 5 volts already. No. Can I have a bigger power brick that can, hold on, how would I make this work? I'm confused. So what you can do is power the fan straight from the battery. But if I can, okay, oh, okay, I'm glad you said that. So if I power the fan straight from the battery, how do I control it with the ESP32? Right? How do I tell it to turn off and on? Motor drivers? Okay, let me read this. Okay. They take power from the battery and allow you to control off and on with the ESP. So, okay, let me look that up. Let me L2. Okay, let me look that up. Let me look that up. Cause I'm confused. All right. Okay, what? I'm confused. Um, I don't understand. Why would I need? Okay, so this thing, this thing turns, but I don't want that. I just want a regular fan. Like I don't want something that. Oh. That's not it. This is it. So, okay, so the thing is, I just want a typical like fan like this. You see? Something already made. An automated monotub. Oh, look at this. It is a Adafruit PC fan controller and temperature sensor. I'm confused as hell. I feel like this shouldn't be this hard. So, are you saying it would be easier if I had a motor if I had a motor driver, right? And I control the fans with this. And this uses, okay, so we just learned this. Good for motor power voltages from 2.5 volts up to 12 volts. Oh, this is it. So it's just this. Oh. So what? I would need a motor. So I need a stepper motor. Not that one. Like this. I'm confused. Hold up. So don't use the motor driver and just find a fan? Oh, look at this. I'm confused. I'm confused. What do you mean? You don't need a stepper. No, use both. Well, just find a fan. You don't need a stepper. No, use both. Let me see. What the fucking this is it, bro? Oh, okay. Alrighty. I use Claude. I use Gemini when Claude says no. Alright. I've learned a lot today. I am gonna go chill and relax. And I will talk to y'all later. Alright. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for all your help, Sam Becker. Alrighty. Bye-bye.